Hello, welcome back to my channel and surprise, another thrifting video. I thrifted some good work clothes, some good lounge clothes. I'm filming this part after I already went to the stores. I went to Savers and Goodwill. I didn't really film that much at Goodwill, but I did film quite a bit at Savers, so you'll get a little bit of a vlog from that. It's been a fat minute since I've been thrifting, so the goal for these visits was just stuff. Fun. I didn't have any particular goals, I just really wanted to go thrifting. Anyways, any life updates? I am working on filming another film photography video. I have two that I want to do. There's a shoot that I really want to do that I've been planning out, and I just haven't gotten to it because all of my friends are busy or moved away, so I'm waiting for someone to have some free time to go shoot with me. And I really want to shoot a video on everything I learned from film, but I want to have that other video filmed first so I can use b-roll and stuff from that. So I have other videos coming I'm really excited about. I've just been hectic and chaotic. Working full-time on top of just personal life is personal life. And moving again really soon. Even though I moved like 3 months ago. It'll be 4 months by the time I move again. Before we get into the thrifting part, I want to talk about this video's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, my all-time favorite jewelry brand. If you didn't know, it's the jewelry that I wear every single day of my life. I am an Ana Luisa VIP, and if you want to take advantage of the sale I'm about to tell you about, I will have everything linked in the description box. The pieces that I picked out this time are going to be this necklace that I basically begged them to give me. The past few times that I've partnered with them, I have mentioned that I want this necklace so bad. I think it is so gorgeous. So it's going to be half pearls and half this silver chain. I am a silver jewelry girl till the day I die. They have a lot of beautiful gold options and silver, which is what I love about them, because I know I always wear silver, but like my mom wears gold and a lot of my friends wear gold, so if I get them a gift, they have options. It's great. I just think pearls are so adorable, so timeless. That's a big part of Ana Luisa, is that they want to create timeless pieces that you're gonna love today, tomorrow, and forever. And then the other two pieces are these earrings that I stacked. So these first pair of earrings are the Celeste in silver. So one side is going to be a little star and the other side is going to be a little moon, which I think is so cute, and they have little gems in them. Absolutely adorable. I love the way that they look and I love stacking them. The other ones that I have them stacked with are the Rocks Mini in silver. I am also a hoops girly till the day I die. I love wearing hoops. I love stacking hoops, and Ana Luisa is perfect for stacking hoops. They have the best hoops ever. Currently they have a Valentine's Day sale. It is going to be buy one get one 50% off. I got these pieces for myself because these are pieces I've been wanting for so long, but they make amazing gifts, especially for Valentine's Day since that is coming up. I'm definitely going to be wearing these two little sets every day for a while. And that is another thing that I love about Ana Luisa, is I can wear their jewelry every day. I have such sensitive skin. I will break out in a rash. My skin will scab over with lower quality jewelry. I can wear Ana Luisa every single day. I sleep in it, I shower in it, and I've never had any issues with my sensitive skin. Ana Luisa does not sacrifice the planet to create quality jewelry. They've made it easy for you to shine without tarnishing the planet. You can read all about their sustainability and everything on the website. They have whole sections about it. That makes me feel really confident in buying their jewelry and wearing their jewelry every day. They start at just $39. So don't forget to take advantage of that buy one get one 50% off sale for Valentine's Day. Everything will be linked in my description box. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, here we are at Savers, all-time favorite thrift store, and you know I always start in the knickknack section. I already have this exact little heart dish. I use it for jewelry, but I thought it was cute that I saw it again with the actual brand on it. But lots of cute Valentine's Day stuff. My grandpa used to say that, so I thought that sign was really cute. Just the knickknack section. There were so many ducks. There was like 10 more ducks in another section. This teacup, I always wonder when super personal things like this are donated, I always wonder if like they broke up or someone died, or they just were like, it's just crowded in the house, we just gotta get rid of it. I always want to know the backstory. Maybe I'm just overthinking, but like I want to know what happened. These dishes were cute but absolutely filthy, so I decided against getting them, although they would have been perfect for my new place. I just avoid dirty dishes. I didn't realize also that tray underneath them is like really cute. This is something I thought a lot about. There's also always so much Brandy Melville at Savers. I don't know why. Every time I go, I find like at least 3 things from Brandy. Jeans. When I'm going for jeans, to be honest, I usually look for brands that I recognize. because finding good fitting jeans is so hard. As much as I want to find like a random brand, I can't trust unless it's a brand I know. And then here is a shocker. This absolutely shocked me. So Savers always has 2 sections of leggings. One section is going to be like jeggings and like patterned leggings, like very 2000s. And then one is activewear, and I usually skip the like jeggings area. But I decided to look through it this time and I found navigation. So I'm really glad that I actually decided to go through it this time. These shoes I almost got. I thought really hard about it, and then right where I cut off, a woman walked into the aisle and I felt really awkward that she caught me filming, so I decided against them. But they were cute and I'm sad I didn't. Okay, now on to things that I did not get. I didn't get this mirror. I really want a round mirror, but I think this one is smaller than I want, so it would have ended up just being a waste of money because I would have gone out and bought a bigger one again. These Zara jeans, they say they're my size, but they look like they would fit a child. I knew they would not fit me. This I would have loved like 3 years ago, maybe even 2 years ago. It's just not my style anymore, but it is really cute and soft. Just not my style anymore. Denim skirt. I don't need another black skirt, and I don't need another denim skirt. I just thought it was cool that it was Free People, so I decided to pass up on it. This, I kind of regret passing up on it, but I also have a white sweater already, so I really didn't need it. And then this is what I found at Goodwill that I passed up on. I just had to show you guys. It still had like the original tags literally from 92 when it was Calvin Klein. I just knew I wouldn't wear it, so I decided to leave this for someone else. Welcome to the haul portion. Today's theme of clothes is I accidentally bought too small. There's literally like 3 things in this haul that are too small for me, which I'm really sad about. Like, I don't know if anyone else relates to this, but you know how thrift stores are almost like everything is 0 to 1 or like small, so there won't be a size section for extra small. And sometimes I forget to check if something's actually small or if it's extra small. And so I bought like 3 things that were extra small that don't fit me because I'm not extra small, thinking that they were small because they're in the small section. So anyways, let's start with like home goods, because I got 2 things at Savers. So this first is this sage green vase. I think it's absolutely adorable. I'm moving again really soon. Exciting. I know I literally just moved, and I know I'm not going to be able to film a room tour because I'm moving in about a week from the day that I film this, and probably like 4 days from the day that this is posted. And I never fully finished decorating this room. I might make like a little TikTok. If I make a little TikTok of how my room looks currently, then I'll link it down below so you can kind of see how it is. But I never finished it to the point where I would have been proud to do a room tour. So you're not getting a room tour of this room. You will get a tour of my new place. So hopefully, I accidentally have a green kitchen, not the cabinets or anything, but I accidentally bought everything for my kitchen green. That wasn't the plan. I just bought like my first 2 things I bought were green. And then I was like, well, since that's green, like I should buy this other green thing to match it. So I'm gonna have a green kitchen, and hopefully you guys will get a tour of that. And I also got this iridescent swan tray. It's literally, I was thinking it could be a really good key tray or something. Like I'll put it by my front door and just keep my keys in it. It's so pretty, the way that it like shines. Love that. Okay, those are the only 2 like non-clothing items I got. So then I'll start with Savers. I'll try. Okay, I'll show you. This is a thing that I didn't even try on because it's one of the things that I accidentally bought extra small. And I did put it on my body when I got home. I was really actually excited about it, so I put it on and it got over me and it fit, but I tore it trying to get it off. It's this really cute light green blouse. I love the neckline. I love the like subtle dots on it. And I love the color, but it is just too small for me. And when I was trying to get it off, I ended up ripping all down the arm. So this part's a zipper, but then this part up here is where I had to rip it to get it off of my body. So unfortunate. It's the brand Who What Wear, which I think is a Target brand, and it was $7.49. And see, they label things as small, and sometimes that's the only tag that I read. But if I was smart enough to check this tag, I would have seen that that is not my size. So I don't know, like maybe I can try to repair it, but it's still, like, I'll rip it again the next time I take it off, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out something to do with it because I don't want to just throw it out because I feel bad, but it is broken. This is another thing that's kind of too small, but not in the same way. It is this dress. I say dress lightly, Verge Girl dress. It's my size and everything, and I was really excited about it, but it is teeny in like a short way. Like it fits over my body perfectly, but my whole butt is out, the entire booty. This fits more like a shirt than a dress. So I'm really sad about that because I'm gonna have to figure out, like, I might just end up tucking it into pants because even with tights, my whole butt just out does not work as a dress. I don't know if it was supposed to and it shrunk or what, but I'm really sad about that. I will definitely still wear it. I'll just have to wear it as a shirt instead of a dress. Oh, and that was $11.79, so about $12 for a shirt that looked like a dress. These pantalones, I don't know the brand, I couldn't find a tag. They were $6.99, but they're just these like tan orangey corduroy pants. It's not a color I would typically wear, but honestly it is a really cute color, and I'm one of those people that just decided what my colors were and then just stuck to those, even though I have no evidence or proof that those are colors that look good on me. So I thought I should try to branch out. They're only $7 and they're actually really cute, so I'll probably end up wearing them to work a lot, and that's me branching out. Next I got this. Okay, Forever 21 actually stepped up their game. This was new with tags. It's originally $25 from Forever 21, but I got it for $14 from Savers. It's just like really cute dress. I love the way that I want to call it a basque waist, but I believe a true basque waist is actually lower, but it has that V at the waist, which is really flattering, really cute. It's this pretty lilac color, very cutesy, fairy, my vibe. Next, okay, I think this is proof. I hate the way my hair is like sitting today. I'm really sorry about that. I believe that this is proof that Goodwill and Savers upcharge based on branding, because this brand is Navigation. If you're like a gym girly, you might know what it is. If you're not, you might have no idea. And it's like a highly sought after, like if you're trying to sell it on Depop or like Curtsy or anything, it's probably gonna be hard to find cheaper. It's probably gonna be selling over retail. Even worn, it's a very like sought after brand because it fits so nice. But these were only $4 versus I bought Gymshark from Savers and Goodwill. That was probably like $10 to $15 for like the same type of thing. It's just these really cute black leggings, but I'm obsessed with the way that Navigation fits. It fits so good. I love working out in Navigation, so that's why I was really excited to find these. I think the person who owned them last put them in the dryer because there's a little bit of pilling, which is what you want to avoid with activewear. Never put it in the dryer so it doesn't pill. But literally, like, I'm sure if I looked at black leggings. Okay, see, someone on Curtsy is reselling black Navigation leggings for $38, which is under retail, but a lot of other Navigation leggings, like in the sought after colors, are going for used at retail price or even higher than retail. So I think that really just proves that Goodwill and Savers try to upcharge on brands that people know are good, but whoever priced that probably had no idea what Navigation was. Okay, and then the last thing I got from Savers, this was $6. It's just a blue little baby tee because I'm obsessed with baby tees. They're just so easy. Anytime I'm not at work, okay, I went from being a little college girly who only wore crop tops and no bras to working 5 days a week where I have to dress business casual. So on my days off, I still love wearing my little college girly crop tops. This is just originally from Pakistan. It's this really cute baby blue. I will definitely be wearing this a lot on my days off. And next is my Goodwill trip. Okay, I'll start with the thing. I'm so sad about this because if you watch my hauls a lot, I thrifted a pair of gray slacks, and I really liked the idea of gray slacks and I wore them a few times. I just hated how that pair fit. I liked putting them in outfits, but they just fit weird. And I found this brand new with tags Lulu's gray slacks, and they are an extra small. I got them up, but they were squishing me everywhere. It was not comfy. So unfortunately, I am gonna have to get rid of these. really sad. Hopefully I can find another good pair of slacks that are gray, because when I bought these I like already decided to get rid of my last ones before I even tried these on and realized they were too small, which is fine. I would have had to get rid of those other ones anyway because I hate wearing them. But I'm really sad because now I don't have gray slacks and it's my own fault. Okay, I found 2 pairs of Urban Outfitters pants. Do you ever find things and you just feel like the same person donated them? Like, I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks about that, but sometimes I find things and I'm like, this was definitely the same person. Like, they just took a bunch of stuff and this is from their stuff. So I found these Urban Outfitters pants, this really cute purple, it's like a waffle knit, very cozy. I already love them. I already know I'm probably going to be wearing them around the house all the time. But I also, again, on my off days, I want to wear comfy pants. Even though those are the only days that I get to wear jeans, I've not been into jeans lately and I want to wear comfy pants, but I don't want to wear sweatpants on my days off because I still want to be cute on my days off. So I might end up wearing these in public, I think, even though they might technically be pajamas/lounge pants. They're really cute. Then I found these. I want to say they're corduroy. Also Urban Outfitters. I don't know if that's the right material. They're this burgundy, which I have been avoiding burgundy, but again, I have no proof whether that's a good or a bad color on me, so I decided to test it out because these were also only $5. Both these were $5 from Goodwill, which is shocking because you'd think that they'd upcharge Urban Outfitters, but whatever, I'm not complaining. So yeah, also very cozy, kind of lounge pants, a little bit nicer, I'd say. Then I got this sweater. It just looked really cozy, and I don't have any like cream beige colored sweaters, but I think they're a good staple. It's the brand So, like S-O, so I believe it's originally from Kohl's. I got it for $4 from Goodwill. Very cozy, very cute. Then I got this skirt. I believe it might be vintage. It's the brand R-Wear. I've never really seen this tag. It almost feels like handmade, like homemade handmade, you know what I mean? The way the zipper's sewn and everything. It's this like periwinkle color, kind of grayish almost. Just a very cute, simple skirt. I got it for $8 at Goodwill. I thought that was cheaper. Anyway. And then the last thing I got from Goodwill, this $8 top. It's from Abercrombie and Fitch. This one was also hard to get off. Like, I got it on my body just fine and it fit just fine. I put it on for the first time for the try-on and then I almost couldn't get it off. It was really worrying, which sucks because I want to wear this to work. But if you don't know what I do for work, I talk about it a lot in my videos, but I do marketing for a wedding dress company. It's called Adore Bridal, and a lot of what my marketing entails, my main thing is I do the social media. So sometimes I have to get undressed in the middle of my workday and put on a wedding dress. So I hate wearing clothes to work that are hard to get on and off because I'm gonna have to change at work some days. So I could always wear this on a day that I know I'm not gonna shoot anything, I guess. It's just really sad. Why do they make clothes that are hard? Like, they should have put a zipper in or put more buttons in or something so this wasn't so hard to get off. That is everything that I bought from Goodwill and Savers. Now I need to calm down since I'm moving and I need to actually kind of consolidate everything. If this hair was bothering you this whole time, I'm sorry it was bothering me too. Also, I feel like, why am I so zoomed in? I feel like I need to update you guys. This little slip dress that I got for like $2 in my last haul when I went to Goodwill, that I thought might have just been Shein or something. I want to use it for a film photography shoot. And I got an ad for it on Instagram and I followed the ad to see if it was really this dress. I looked at the brand and everything. It's really this dress. This dress is $112 from Anthropologie and I will never top this surf find. Just thought you guys should know that I thought this little $2 thing, I didn't realize. It's cool. So don't forget to use code ColleenPark20 for 20% off of Ana Luisa jewelry, my all-time favorite jewelry. Everything will be linked down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know other videos you want to see from me. Bye! Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you